Thank you for joining us for this demonstration of the Intulse app and the virtual phone inside of an iPhone. First thing I'm going to do is touch the Intulse app icon on my phone, and once it opens, then I'm going to touch in the lower left hand corner the phone icon, bringing up this screen where you should see virtual phone at the top of the screen. If you do not, that would mean that your organization or your extension has not been enabled for the virtual phone, and you should contact our support team. So I have the dashboard open, and I can have all of the functionality that I would have in the app on my desktop or laptop in a Chrome browser. If I want to enable the virtual phone, I will just touch where it says disabled. It turns to enabled and says connected beside it. And then I know that I'm able to utilize the virtual phone to make and receive calls as if I was at my desk at my main extension. The gear to the right of the word enabled, if I touch on that, will open up the profile area where I can touch on virtual phone and go to see ringer output, headset output, speaker output, microphone, ringtone, and call waiting settings that may have various options depending on the scenario of your device, but typically we'll just utilize the default settings for your iPhone. Going back to this screen, if I want to make a call, I will simply touch in to where it says active calls, and I can start typing a number. Besides the word active call, I can start typing a name which will search the directory that's connected with this phone system. It found rear door extension 999. If I touch that, then 999 is going to be enabled, and I just click the word call, and I can call that extension. Dial an extension here real quick and see what happens. I just click the call. This phone screen comes up, and that was the end of that call. But you saw how the call did come up there. If I want to call a number that is outside of the organization, I will just type that number in, hit the word call. I'm going to hang up that call as well. You can see what happens when you make an outbound call. Now let's take a look at an inbound call. I have my virtual phone connected. I can actually minimize this and put it in the background. And while it's in the background, I can dial the number. And momentarily that call should be coming in, and it brings up this screen which gives me the option to accept the call. So just like that, I'm on the call. You can see that I'm muted. And again, I have many controls available to me, such as the keypad, hide keypad, the hold button, the transfer button, or to go back to the app and do other things within the app, like check voicemail or look something else up. I have the capability of doing that. Or to return to the call, I just touch at the top where it says touch to return to active call, and I'm back to this call. If I would like to transfer it, I hit the transfer button. I get a list of extensions that I can transfer to, and I just choose one and send it on its way. So that is an example of an inbound call on the Intulse app inside of an iPhone. I just hung up the call, and now I'm done. Contact our support team or visit our website at intulse.com.